Starting around 14 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO basically fundamentally especially is exchanging at 31 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.96% in decently truly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner, which by and large is very critical. Polis explicitly has a really all-out market cap of $71,979,560, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $638,212 in a quite huge manner in a significant way. This sort of makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, entirely of genuinely positioning at 354 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way, which in a real sense is very critical. On the off chance that you basically in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO generally explicitly be somewhat exceptionally worth in 2023, in a sort of entirely of huge way, which sort of is genuinely critical, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of decently in every practical sense, wise venture or kind of sort of worth purchasing in 2023? All things considered, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking in a fundamentally most certainly enormous manner, or so they thought. Will Polis cost generally explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they sort of certainly thought in an essentially extremely significant manner? These basically really are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's S-future, in a pretty exceptionally sort of significant manner in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the Polis cost generally is supposed to basically in every practical sense, truly cross a very sort of genuinely normal value level of 37 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Truly current year ought to actually entirely be 36 cents in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Besides, Polis can explicitly sort of arrive at an especially by and large really most extreme value level of 39 cents, which basically is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Polis Value Conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, explicitly is estimated to by and large truly be at around an essentially actually especially least worth of 34 cents in a very fundamentally huge manner, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they thought. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can in a real sense basically generally arrive at a kind of very limit of 38 cents, with the actually certainly all things considered, normal exchanging worth of 37 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly by and large is very huge, or so they for the most part in a real sense thought. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation December 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost by and large basically is supposed to especially most certainly reach between 36 cents to 39 cents in December 2023, while the decently genuinely normal cost of Polis for the December fundamentally certainly remains around 37 cents. Star Atlas DAO, kind of extremely past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been explicitly essentially diminished by 6.34% in its reasonably essentially current worth in an especially significant manner, which certainly basically is very huge. On the off chance that we in a real sense explicitly fundamentally look at the all things considered, certainly current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap by and large basically is likewise down, exhibiting how Polis value gauge November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Star Atlas DAO most certainly really is gauged to generally explicitly especially be at around an extremely all things considered, least worth of 34 cents, or so they for the most part thought, truly in spite of mainstream thinking in an exceptionally enormous manner. From decently extremely most recent 7 days, the Polis sort of truly was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 17.27% in an unobtrusive manner, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense certainly has shown extremely kind of certainly solid entirely genuinely potential recently, and this could be somewhat excellent chance to sort of dive right in and actually explicitly put resources into an unobtrusive way in an unpretentious manner. In any case, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and extremely beyond 30 days cost history, it very is seen that Star Atlas DAO truly sort of essentially has expanded 17.106% in its worth, or so they really thought, or so they generally thought. The kind of fundamentally normal pretty certainly fundamentally least cost for the month basically especially is 23 cents, while pretty kind of greatest essentially in every practical sense, normal cost super was 25 cents, which most certainly really shows that on the off chance that you in every practical sense truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large generally explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO very be somewhat especially worth in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. This suggests that this coin most certainly really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently truly arrangement of coins for in every practical sense, essentially beautiful long haul, which certainly in a real sense is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure 2023 facts. What will explicitly entirely be Star Atlas DAO by and large fundamentally worth in 2023, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they basically thought. The Pulse cost most certainly is gauged to in every way that really matters, especially arrive at an entirely exceptionally greatest degree of 39 cents, with extremely kind of least cost of 36 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a pretty most certainly significant manner, or so they thought. Star's Atlas DAO sort of actually basically have a future in a sort of really significant manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO in a real sense for the most part truly has a remarkable kind of beautiful potential to generally truly arrive at new levels, pretty in every way that really matters. Further appearance how this certainly truly makes Star Atlas DAO, Pulse, actually by and large exceptionally positioning at 354 in the digital currency market in an essentially certainly kind of enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. It explicitly is gauged that Pulse will increment in esteem, showing how Star Atlas DAO value conjecture 2023 facts what will in a real sense most certainly be Star Atlas DAO, most certainly truly worth in 2023, which especially truly is very huge in a very enormous manner. As per sort of in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can explicitly raise a ruckus around town. The kind of the most exorbitant cost of $1.96 till 2030 in a by and large lovely fundamentally enormous manner, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking in a significant way. Is Star Atlas DAO for the most part genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge in a sort of large manner? Star Atlas DAO's worth for the most part is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as lack will in general fundamentally truly support cost rise, essentially kind of in spite of prevalent thinking in a beautiful kind of huge manner. If it's not too much trouble, note, there truly is a gamble to any speculation, exhibiting how as far as value, Star Atlas DAO sort of has an exceptional reasonably genuinely potential to in every way that really matters, sort of arrive at new levels. Certainly essentially further appearance how this fundamentally in a real sense makes Star Atlas DAO, Pulse, especially essentially positioning at 354 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way, which generally is very critical.